Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to learn exercise 10.1 question number 3. We have to find the third angle of triangles. We have given two angles. In the question we have given two angles and we have to find the third angle of each triangle. And we all know that the sum of all angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. The sum of all three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. And in the question we have given two angles and we have to find the third one. So the easiest way to find the third angle is we can subtract the sum of these two angles from 180 degree to get the third angle. For example, first two angles are 45 and 60. So 45 plus 60 is 105. And to find the third one, we need to subtract 105 from 180 degree. So 10 minus 5 is 5 and it's 7 because it's 1 carry to 0. 7 minus 0 is 7 and 1 minus 1 is cross. So the answer is 75 degree. So when we add 45 into 60, we got 105. And when we add 75 into 105, we got 180 degree. So it's equal to 180 degree. The sum of all three angles is equal to 180 degree. Now the second one is 90 degree and 22 degree. To find the third one, first we need to add these two angles. 90 plus 22 is 122. So when it's 112. 90 plus 22 it's equal to 112. So to find the third one, we need to subtract 112 from 80 degree. So 10 minus 2 is 8 and now it's 7 because it's give 1 carry to 0. 7 minus 1 is 6. 1 minus 1 is cross. So the third angle is 68 degree. So when we add 90 into 22, we got 112. And when we add 68 into 112, we got the sum which is equal to 180 degree. Now the third one is 15 and 150, and when we add 15 into 150, we got 165. And when we subtract 165 from 180 degree, we got 10 minus 5 is 5 and it's 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. 15. We got 15 degree. And when we add these three angles, we got the sum which is equal to 180 degree. So this is the easiest way to find the third angle when the two angles are given in the question. Let's move to our second question, which is exercise 10.3. Question number 1. Consider the pair of triangles similar. Calculate the unknown. We have two triangles and we have to consider that these two triangles are similar. And we need to find the unknown values, which is B and A. We have to find the value of B and A. First thing which we have to remember is that when we have similar triangle, the ratio of their corresponding sides is always equal, and the corresponding sides are the corresponding side of 4 whole number 1/2 is 9 centimeter. The corresponding side of 9 centimeter is A, and the corresponding sides of B is 13 centimeter. So the ratio of these corresponding side is equal, and I have written this 4 whole number 1/2 centimeter ratio. The corresponding side of this side is 9 centimeter. So ratio 9 centimeter is equal to, I have to write is equal sign, is equal to B, and the corresponding of B is 13. B ratio 13 is equal to 9 and the corresponding of 9 is A, 9 centimeter ratio A. So we need to find the value of B and A. First we need to find the value of B, and for this we need to work on these first two ratio. First we have 4 whole number 1 upon 2 centimeter ratio 9 centimeter is equal to B ratio 13 centimeter. First we have to solve this mixed fraction. Now 2 4s are 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 upon 2 centimeter ratio 9 centimeter. When we have ratio in a fraction, first we need to make their denominator same. First we need to make both ratio in fraction. First we need to write both ratio in fraction, so we have to write this one also in fraction. So 9 upon 1. Now we need to make their denominator same, and for this we need to make 1 2, and for this we need to multiply 1 by 2 to make it 2, and now we need to multiply 9 by 2 also. Now 9 upon 2 centimeter ratio 9 2s are 18 ratio 2 1s are 2 is equals to B ratio 13 centimeter. When we have fraction in ratio, so when we have make the denominator same, we just need to write the numerator in the ratio. When the denominators are same, we just need to write the numerator in the ratio, which means that the ratio of 9 upon 2 ratio 18 upon 2 is 9 ratio 18 centimeter ratio 18 centimeter is equals to B ratio 13 centimeter. Now we can write it like this: 9 upon 18 centimeter is equals to B upon 13 centimeter. And to find the value of B, we have to do the cross product, which means that we need to cross multiply the ratios. 9 multiplied by 13 and 18 multiplied by B. And when we multiply 18 by B, we got 18B and is equals to 9 multiplied by 13 is 117. Now we need to find the value of B, and for this we have to transpose 18 to the right hand side. Here 18 is multiplying by B, and when we transpose it to the right hand side, it will be divided by 117. 117 divided by 18, and when we divide it by 9, we can cancel out this by 9. 9 2s are 18, 9 1s are 9, 2 carry, 9 3s are 27. Now B is equal to 13 upon 2. This is the value of B. Now on the other side we have to find the value of A, and I will do my work on the side. Okay, we need to find the value of A, and for this we can find the value by working on these two ratio. First one is B ratio 13 centimeter is equals to 9 centimeter ratio A, and we have found the value of B, which is 13 upon 2. So now we can write 13 upon 2 instead of B. 13 centimeter is equals to 9 centimeter ratio A. Again we have to write the second ratio in a fraction, because the first one is in fraction form, so we need to write the second one in fraction. So we write 1. There is no number, which means there is 1. Now we need to change, we need to make the denominator same, and for this we need to make 1 2, and for this we need to multiply 1 by 2, and we need to multiply the numerator also by 2. Now we have 13 upon 2 ratio 13 twos are 6 upon 2 is equals to 9 centimeter ratio A. Now when the denominator are same, we just write the numerator in the ratio. So the ratio is 13 centimeter ratio 26 centimeter is equals to 9 centimeter ratio A. Now we can write this 13 centimeter upon 26 centimeter is equals to 9 centimeter upon A. And we need to find the value of A, and for this we do the cross product, which means cross multiplication. Now 13 centimeter multiply A is 13A centimeter is equals to 26 multiplied by 9, it's 234. Now we have to find the value of A, and for this we need to transpose 13 to the right hand side. So A is equals to 234 centimeter divided by 13 centimeter. It will cancel out by 13. 13 ones are 13 because 13 is a prime number. 13 ones are 13, 13 ones are 13, and 10 carry, it's 104. 13 8s are 104. So A is equal to 18 centimeter. So this is the value of A, which is 18 centimeter. So when we check sorry, 4 whole number 1 upon 2 centimeter ratio 9 centimeter is equal to B is 13 upon 2 centimeter ratio 13 centimeter is equals to 9 centimeter ratio 18 centimeter. So this is the way to find the value of unknown in the similar triangles. I hope you all have understood. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.